Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Google provides a powerful Gmail API that allows developers to access and manipulate Gmail data programmatically. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use the Gmail API with Python. We'll cover the setup process, authentication, and demonstrate a simple example of sending an email using the Gmail API. Before we begin, make sure you have the following: Google Cloud Platform, GCP, project. Create a GCP project and enable the Gmail API. Obtain the credentials file, credentials.json, for your project. Python. Make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You can download it from python.org. Pip. Ensure that you have pip, the Python package installer, installed. Open your terminal and install the necessary Python packages. Create a new project on the Google Cloud Console. Enable the Gmail API for your project. Create credentials for your project. Download the credentials file, credentials.json, and save it in your project directory. Create a new Python script, example Gmail_API_example.py, and add the following code.